Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how Looker Studio connects with Google Sheets. Currently we are in the home page right now. If you want to create the connection, go to the create connection, the data sources. Once we are here, here the Google connections, it's available. Yeah, here you go. It's a Google Sheets. If you click on Google Sheets, yeah. Currently, what are the Google Sheets are right now available in my drive, right? So those data is available. Here is the Google US sales, Adidas US sales. The data is available. So if you want to preview this data, right, you can go here and yeah. So this is the spreadsheet. This is the what kind of sheets are available inside the sheet. So if you want to go to very detailed information, you can go here. We can see how the data it is. Here is the retailer ID. So these are the information is available in the sheet. Okay. So if you scroll over here, you can see the margin, operating system, total sales per unit, all kind of data is available here. You can see the other tabs as well. So for time being now, we are going to use only this sheet alone. So if you just click on here and you can click on connect, it will automatically connect to the this particular sheet. So here are the few more options available. So first one is it will take it as a header. If you want to hide any specific columns, we can use here. Yeah, here we are. So what are the fields are available in the sheet, right? Those will be reflected here. And the beauty of the Looker Studio is it will automatically detect the type data types. It will automatically detect, and it will by default it will give the data type. So if you want to change the order or data types, you can do it as per your requirement. And if you want to duplicate field or remove, hide, whatever the things you want, you can do it. So by default, this is the metric. It will create automatically the row count metric. So it's for every data set. So if you want to see some kind of data preview, how it will be, just go to here. Here we are, right? So yeah, if you click here, so here is the sample data, how it will be look like. Okay, so if you want to go for the credentials, so here is the my credentials. It's based on the credentials we can change. So this is going to be refreshed every 50 minutes. Okay, so we connected to the backend sheet, right, which is available in the drive. It will refresh every 50 minutes. If there is changes happening in the data here, so it will automatically it will reflect here. Suppose we are in yeah, here if I am trying to delete this field, right, month field, so after 50 minutes automatically it will refresh and it will delete the field. It won't be available. Okay. So once this is done, if you want, you can go and you can create some kind of report here, the sample report. So I would like to create one kind of bar chart. Yeah. So by default, it will take the retailer is the dimension and the record count. The record count. Okay. Let me zoom in. Yeah. So this is how we are going to connect with the Looker Studio to the Google Sheets. In our next video, we will discuss how we are going to connect with the BigQuery from the Google Looker Studio. Okay, thank you.